Well, it is officially Friday morning. We're here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, not Jacksonville, Florida. But we're leaving here, heading down to Myrtle Beach, and then going to go across and spend the night just outside of Augusta, Georgia. So about a 400-mile day. Gonna stop at, I think there's 7 Harleys today, 4 of which are in Myrtle Beach. But it's a beautiful day. It's already 70 plus degrees, so today is going to be one of those days where I'm in my t-shirt all day long. You know, it's a beautiful day. It's already warming up. It's supposed to be in the lower 90s, which is going to be hot if we're running across you know, city streets and county roads or whatever. But if we're on the interstate moving, it's going to be fine. Bikes are doing great. So 2,000 plus miles in, both bikes running good. Like I said in the previous video, the gas mileage is doing real well, so I'm getting 260 to 280 miles on a tank of gas, which is a good run. Last night we came back to the hotel and there's a Mexican restaurant in our hotel, so we went there and had some drinks and stuff, and it was a good time. So today, looking forward to seeing Myrtle Beach, being along the ocean for the first I don't know, first 60-80 miles. We're running right along the ocean from here down to Myrtle Beach. We found out last night that you can't get into Camp Lejeune Harley unless you have military access, which, well, we didn't, so that was a fun one. Our GPS kept trying to go into the base, and we definitely knew we couldn't get in, so we kept turning around, and we finally found out, yeah, you can't get there. So today, hopefully we can hit all the Harleys planned, and we will see you once we check in at the first one. Harley-Davidson, it's like 40 miles from where we spent the night. We're here a little before they open, but gonna go in, get a mileage check, grab a chip because I've never been here, so it's a first for me being here at Shipwreck. And then we're on down the road to Breeze, which is like an hour down the road, and then we're into Myrtle Beach. So gonna be a bunch of just jumping around to the Harleys, filled up with gas, so hopefully we don't need it until we're out of Myrtle Beach and can kind of get rolling a little bit. Not able to get a great rhythm going this morning because there's so many stops that we're going to hit. In Myrtle Beach there's 4 Harleys that we're going to stop at, so just kind of jumping around a little bit this morning, but then this afternoon we should be able to run. So we'll see. Cliff had a bike issue, so we had to get it checked out before we could roll on. Luckily it wasn't anything major, it was just a faulty air, so that was good. Seabreeze really took care of him, did a great job with that. Got in, got out, super easy, super quick, so that was great. Now we're gonna head on down to Myrtle Beach Harley, which is like 40 miles down the road. There's 4 down there. I don't know how many we're gonna hit, you know, not really interested in the t-shirt shops and stuff, but may get into that, we'll see. So last 4 hours became very eventful. We found some rain, we found more rain, and we found a third time of rain after checking in at all the Harleys and getting to Blackjack Harley, all the Harleys in Myrtle Beach, and then we got to Blackjack Harley. That's where we found all the rain. So now we're playing the dry out game as we go towards the Haven Harley, and just kind of risking it, seeing what we can do to get dried out a little bit, because I'm soaked. I'm gonna have to get some new rain gear. Mine has had it, you can see through it. So with that, we're at the ever wonderful Boosie's. Had a meat stick and an energy drink, so getting ready to roll. pretty neat that we were able to make it here. You know, we added a dealer, and then we had a little bit of a hiccup early in the day, and then traffic and everything, but able to get everything done in the day that we were wanting. Now we're 20 miles from the hotel, so we're gonna go check into that and then figure out dinner or whatever. And it's been a good day, but most of all, it was fun. And I mean, even in the rain, it's a good time.
It sure was. It's always a good time.
Yeah. So with that, this is going to be our sign off for the day, and we will see you tomorrow morning when we head towards Atlanta.